Yeah, it's a great day to you, investors. Yes, today I bring to you this piece of land located here at Okun Ise. This is the same road that linked towards the Dangote Refinery. The same road. So this where I am here is called Okun Ise. And here with me I have 25 acres of land from the same road down to the Atlantic Ocean. Down to the Atlantic Ocean. So you can hear from afar the wave of the sea. So it's a tableland. It is strategically facing this road. This is the road that linked towards Lacampine Tropicana. This place is less than 3 minutes from Lacampine Tropicana, and the same road that linked towards Dangote Refinery. So, interested? Please reach out to us at Oshiemu Ventures.